Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial, we're going to teach you how you can add comments and remarks to your documents on Microsoft Word really quickly. So let's get started. Now let's assume, for example, you're a proofreader or editor and you would like to leave remarks or comments to someone else's text on Word. All you need to do, guys, is simply access the given text and highlight the part of the text you would like to add a comment to. So let me go, for example, with that sentence here, highlight it. And after that, what you want to do, guys, is head over from the home to the insert tab here and simply select comments here in the middle, just like that. Alternately, what you want to do, guys, is simply right click on the selected or highlighted text. And after that, you will see that menu here. So simply select new comment here. That is going to open up that window. So here you may add a comment and start even a conversation or an entire thread. So simply leave your comment, like, I don't know, test comment or something like that. Press or click on that icon here, on that arrow icon, to leave the comment. And as you can see, the comment has been posted. And other users may, for example, reply to the comment by clicking on reply here. And that's basically it. That's how you add comments to your documents on Word. That's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.